I'm here in Excel and I imported some names and telephone numbers, but the telephone numbers came in as numbers, whereas in fact I want them formatted like this, with a 0 at the front, a space, the 0 in brackets, and also a hyphen in there as well. So I'm going to show you how you can do that. It's just using something called the text function. Now I'm doing this on a Mac, but actually it works the same way on Windows as well. So let's just clear this here. I'm just going to delete that, and I'm now going to use a function to bring that over. So I could just click on my insert function here, which is the same on Mac and Windows, and I get my formula builder come up over here. So this is really the main difference between Mac and Windows. If you're doing this on Windows, it would come up as a dialog box in the middle, but on the Mac it comes up as a formula builder on the right hand side. So that's really it. And I've actually got text at the top here, but I could actually type in text and press enter. It was at the top because, you guessed it, I'd just been using it. So I could just double click on that. Okay, let me just press escape, because the other way I could have done it is in my formulas tab over here. I could have gone to text, and down here you'll see there is one called text. So let's just do that. And over here in the formula builder, you'd get these same boxes appear on Windows. I'm going to choose this value here, and then I want to go over here and choose format text. Now you need to put in some symbols in here to make this work. So if you click more help on this function at the bottom, and it's also on Windows, you will actually see it's giving you how it works. So if you've ever done formatting, customized formatting in the cell, a lot of this will look familiar. And it's this bit here that you're looking at. It's the bit inside the quotes. So if I want to put a $sign in and then some numbers, and I wanted to format it so that if it was 0, it would just come up as 0.00, or if there's no decimal places, 2 decimal places, and you could type more in there. You can also format it so that you've got your date here, so that's month, day and year, and you've got various different options going down, but I'm going to show you that now. But if you want to, you can go and find that, and if you scroll to the bottom, there's an option here to download Excel text function examples, which you might actually find really useful. But let's see if this helps you. So I'm going to click here in the format text. I'm going to put a quote in there. I'm going to put in the text I want. And I think I'm going to have a space. I know there are 3 numbers. And then I have another 4. So that's putting in the hyphen. So it's putting it in just the right space. And telephone numbers have a particular format, a certain amount of numbers that you want. So let me just get rid of this, because if you didn't know anything about the number formatting that you wanted, just put in a hash like this, because it would just work. It would just convert it over. You can see here it's made it on the left hand side. Left hand side formatting default is text, and right hand is a number. Let's go back over to here. If I was on the PC, I would have just clicked on the insert function, which would have taken me to this box. So let me type that in again, a space. Let's put in my hashes, 4, and just make sure I've got the quote in there as well. Press enter. Oh, I missed out. I didn't miss out the 0. I was still holding the shift key. So as you can see, nice, quick and easy fixed. I'm now going to copy that down just by clicking and dragging on the bottom right hand corner. And there you go. Now someone actually asked, let me just undo that. When they copy it down, and if they've got any formatting, cell formatting and so on, they kind of messed up their formatting when they use the autofill. Let me just show you what you can do. So you can go right click and drag it down. Same on Windows, let go and choose this option here, fill without formatting. And that wouldn't mess up any formatting. So if this was already in bold, it would keep it in bold. If there was cell borders, it wouldn't mess that up either. So there you have it. That's how you can convert a number into text. Thanks for watching. If you do like this, please do like, share and subscribe. I've got a lot more videos on my YouTube channel, so do come back for more.